Thank you.
Oh, very cool. Listen. Okay, my rule number 3. My rule number 3. What is my rule number 3? Please, let's all give another round of applause for Brother Leverkusen Edison. And now, please keep smiling. Now we'll have talent round from the freshers. And for that, I'll invite Albert Bose, our panel of judges, team captain, to kindly come and reframe the rules and instructions.
Thank you, our host Bobby, for giving me this time. Well, before we proceed with the round of selection for Mr. and Miss for today, let me give a few informations. Okay, before that, let me introduce our fellow judges panel. In number 1, we have Miss Dorothy, MS Executive Assistant, NFDB, Government Authority. And I am Albert Bose, currently posted here in Regional Office Guwahati at the Oriental Insurance Company Limited. So we are the panel judges for today. We will be basically checking into 3 rounds. The first round would be introduction round. And number 2 will be ramp work and talent hunt. And from these 2 selections, the finalists will go to question hour. So we will proceed with this. And the judging criteria would be mainly in 3 grounds. So the participants may kindly take note of that. And number 3rd round would be talents and presentation. How a candidate represents, how they perform. Based on these 3 rounds, we will be checking. Since our program organizer has already given the number, we shall be noting with the number and checking with the number. Okay, that's it from our side. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Albert. Cho freshers mà đâu? Đi mấy tổ chức share nó brought up about freshers mà đâu? Freshers mà đâu? Let's all come forward. Freshers, all the freshers, let's all come forward. Malaya Pashi, so this program has been put together for you guys. So I ask all the freshers to come forward. It's a lifetime opportunity, which is a very meaningful experience. So I advise, I request, I would love to have all the freshers to come forward. I saw 15 or 16 before. So, if you know any freshers sitting with you, sitting beside you, please push them, ask them to come forward, please. We have only 8 freshers, volunteers, freshers, Freshers, please come forward. Freshers, not necessarily, my 2022 in Guwahati, Poumai. If you haven't had this experience before, if you haven't have celebrated this festival before, you are welcome to come out. Program first time you go over my power. Anybody left? Okay. So now again, as our judges have requested, Okay, Papa, please. Number one, Poumai Power. Anybody who is coming to the program for the first time, not necessarily you come in 2022, but you've been in Guwahati since 2000, 2001, 2020, 21, 22. Popular. Okay, so like judges mane paute na, we'll have another round of introduction. And introduction round hane hi niji pauda poyo and nini pau ni the pau specifically niji hai ni why do you come to Guwahati? Ni Guwahati ko visit purpose na dai so le ko e na pauda poyo na pau be. You will have round of introduction and I'll ask you to go and sit together in one area and we'll have talent round from there. So volunteers over here, you can start from this side or either that side. We'll have another quick round of introduction. You the number of Telano, you can start. Number 13 starts away.
Good afternoon once again. As you know, Supuye, the Guwahati ko MC chemistry so probably literally professor really so thank you.
A very good afternoon to you all now. My name is Abhavine, contestant number 24. I came to Guwahati to prepare for some competitive exams like IBPS. I'm currently doing some self-studies, so I hope I can fulfill my dreams.
Joe opportunity po poiwana traloye ajinu doloniye inichu Guwahati ko self study so exam prepare so boy traloye. Hai ko chela da ko na boy colony re tunjoi University of Social Sciences boy dollar boy. Number no, serial number 7, color.
As you know, course insomnia, I go at in go to SCD coaching for. Yeah, I be main purpose patient. Yes, clear. So yeah, role to research and analyze wins. Abasumia tapu boy. Yeah, I be purpose ko matsuso ko to ha esam SSC clear so la ko ya abisaro number 8.
This is round number 14. Coffee change. This whole purpose of coming here is I just want to clear is SSC exam and also taking combining, and the purpose of taking this is because for me I want to change for a better world. So like I want to become somebody in the futures, and actually I thought of becoming a businessman, but like I just want to start with my own. So at first, so to be a businessman, we need a huge amount of capital. So like I want to become somebody, and now I want to involve in this investing, and I want to become somebody in the futures, and also not only think for myself, but think for a better world, and not only for us, but I feel for everybody. And I want to say like treat someone like you want to be treated by someone. So like I want to make a world a better place. Yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. My name is Emerson, and I came to Guwahati for my further studies in BBA course from Jedwin University. And like I said before, my hobby is play general sports and sketching. That's all. Thank you.
Hi Hello, gentlemen and gentlewomen. This is Wakefield, bearing serial number 11. Guwahati ko graphic design course na dule ya ko. Dai na dule lo so abi aim so tikili ko successful entrepreneur ai so I want ran so tong zeno course na dule ya Guwahati ko abi purpose na tolwe.
Takala turun tolore. Ajin rukhoy be. Jin abi number 10 number 9 be. Jik community be. Abi jik Guwahati hai gozo. Jik businessman mani suno wani. Hai tako abi apa fulfill sar dinu. Business tu na apa sar dinu tako practical ni sen dawwe. Jin man sungi chipa da kan so. Be patient. Patient buro anu itabi avana focus tiro success will be yours. Thank you.
Hello once again. My name is Poumai and I came here to write competitive exams. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone once again. My name is Veronica. I'm from Onam Hill Village. I came here to Guwahati to pursue one-year integrated course in aviation hospitality management. My contestant number is 16, and one day I have a desire to become a flight attendant. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm contestant number 5. My name is Losne. I passed out my PU in Dimapur, St. John, and I'm currently taking medical coaching in Allen Institute, Guwahati. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Vinay. I'm serial number 3. I came to Guwahati to pursue my vehicle. Thank you.
Good afternoon once again. I'm Losne and I'm contestant number 4. I'm a NEET aspirant and came to Guwahati for Institute. Thank you.
Hello there, Freshers Batamis. Once again, on behalf of all the timers in Guwahati, we wish you many, many good wishes. Joe, jito talent round gula ke prono, jito Albert. Time limit ke ha? 5 minutes. Okay, we'll have a time limit of 5 minutes. And okay. I'll once again request freshers, those who are sitting this side, to kindly sit to this side, to my right hand side. Freshers, like hello, to be my help, prepare. Freshers, when you're coming forward here, judges might request on a bed. Nimata walk up with it. Nimata hat up with it. Okay. So nimata hello problem no? Middle he call no? Hello no cut up. Okay. So we'll call number voluntarily or okay. Like kind of introduction so visual. Kind of introduction so visual like so visual rhyme and
Hey.
Number 13, the starts on so like introduction so we round out in a popular request on the way. Joe will invite number 13 for your talent display. Number 13. Number 13. Number 13 is our Job of you in a way when you come forward, judges must do everyone work. Talent can be anything. Sometimes it can be nothing also. So our brother is saying he didn't prepare, but not necessarily you have to prepare. It just
들어와서 많은 분들이 있으래. Lately you have been asking me if all my words are true. Don't you know I'll do anything for you? Sometimes I haven't been good to you. Sometimes I make you cry. And that I'm sorry for everything. But I promise you, girl, promise you this when the blue night is over my face on the dark side of the road is placed when them all alone will the stars apart. You are the one I love.
That is on number 13. Joe, number 24. Number 24 invites on the way. Number 24, number 3, tapo po.
When you can go ahead. When number 24 is taking her stage, I request all the contestants to please prepare what talents you want to show us, so that you can come and project it in a good way. And then I request all the contestants to also give a good round of RAM work, so that we can judge you on that. Thank you. Number 24, please go ahead.
Thank you once again. Actually, I don't have much talent. Like my talent, I can showcase it here because my talent, I would say, is dealing with children. So I can showcase it here.
If you are good in dealing with children, maybe you'll be good in teaching them songs, steps, and also any of your talents. Everything is a talent. That is what he said.
Number 24. Joe, number 15. 15 invites on the way. The freshest mother of series school. And I'm contestant will. Hi, Mr. and Miss Thomas.
This year, RAM high round, full round, Ali Tabio.
Hai ramai nu talen wisha boy doe ana ju hai sumang lu shimanu inu dai su pai hai inu bible zu pro buji bible quotation tawli zu pa mat zu ne po ne su Luke chapter 1 verse 37. For nothing is impossible with God. Luke chapter 1 verse 35. Holy Spirit will come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. Matthew chapter 5 verse 8. The pure in heart will see God. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Philippians Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Thank you.
Reason number 15. Nimai talent solo shemana solo tsusa tries it. Before I heard somebody says their talent is cooking, so I asked executives to start bringing gas and utensils here. Now we'll invite number one. Number one, Nivetali Tabupuyo. Serial number one. Serial number 1 Hafizo. Serial number 11. Serial number 11. Serial number 11 Nivetali Tabupuyo. Serial 11 tabi hai. 11. Joe, serial number 11 hit the point of it. Late introduction, so will you round serial number of family randomly call so Joe, and you contestant man then ready so with you. Serial number 11 now, tell you who is like you.
Good afternoon once again. I have so many talents, but I'll show you. Actually, it's not my talent, but my talents are like playing football, volleyball, but this is not playground. So I'll sing one song with my frog voice.
Now Miss Pamela Children Government Service Bus of which I contested my door. Nimato Televile, and as soon as also we go. And Mr. Talo, government of what will have put away.
Duit title nữa, You Are My Best Friend by Don William. You place gold on my finger. You broke love like I've never knew. You give life to our children, and to me a reason to go on. You're my bread when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor in life's ocean, but most of all, you're my best friend. Thank you.
concludes our number 11. Joe, I invite number 9 to kindly come and take your time. Even though Ram walk now starts to go.
Alright. Để mà bù anh mà ha talent high boy chỉ có talent lâu biết để talent rồi mà proper sao phải có là high talent rồi different ni pesa ram pesa này rồi mà proper sinh máu rồi ram cho pa boy so bao nhiêu ở talent rồi chính xác nó rồi mò ấy chính mà hay tổ chức mà này mình nhiều quá ở talent na talent ở video chứ Jamani ye class ke jivani ta desu mana jimi. My boy, come here. Okay, sir. Okay, good boy. Can you read ABC? Don't put your hands in the mouth. Okay, sir. Okay. Start reading ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Now can you read 1, 2, 3? Yes, sir, I can read. Okay, please read. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, you have to read again. You missed some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good boy. Can you sing the Sri Yes, sir, yes, sir. I can sing Baba Bless. Okay, good boy. Can you please sing? Baba bless you, happy anniversary. Yes, sir, 3 people. 1 for my master, 1 for my dam, 1 for the little boy who lived on the land. It's alright.
That was number 9. So with all that, now I give time to serial number 5. Serial number 5.
Serial number 5 taba tadi ji da kai contestant ma kai information adi pidai lera serial number contestant number 13 high 24 pare hare da kai chance pe puri so da le prepare so tori te le pela mobas na chance pe pula so na ne ha talent so na hai so da bolo le. Thank you.
Given me a million reasons to quit the show. You've given me a million reasons.
without it. Now I give time to serial number 3. Serial number 13 and 24 they are ready. So we put it on. You will get another time. You will get another opportunity. And for now we give time to serial number 3.
Hello guys. I don't have any talent.
Thank you. Talent how Okay, now we'll invite serial number 4. Serial number 4.
The title is A Million Dreams. Close my eyes and I can see a world is waiting up for me that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we design. brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. For a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there's to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we decide. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, the vision of the one I see. A million dreams are ways content. Million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong, and say that you'll bring me along to the world you'll see. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. Thank you.
That was serial number 4. Thank you very much. And we'll now give time to serial number 7. Serial number 7.
Our talent, multi-talented, but not the best one of the fellow. You know, Alice, no, but it's as I'll be a teacher, social worker, I have multi-talent, and then I could not perform all the talent, so I'll just show you one talent, that is telling story. People are in a problem. Crab, Valisa, was a halasula harbor, you know, there was a bird. Mulo where was a Josulara book harbor, the halasola how to pay banu but mulore disturb secure and then muluno bilale ashilale trumpet flower abe pa we be ni ko to we abe pa we be ni ko to we abe pa sa ashilale no bilale ko sa jawla ko we pa ni sa jawla stage cho we no hi ko do we cho sa rala ngõ pila le rala le jam ajola hai ko lion we do call we do ko pata shai le sai no cause raru la le no puno cho hi no dai cho ni dai ban adu li shi chaman da sen ko ti thai ran no ano cho no ko hi ji la pe da la pe lo da Gino te halara ko te hamwe ano chove pano ano ni ko jalo pe ne just rala le fila le ajola ina ni te ko pe hare ra boy and say no cause raru la le again no kaitro abe pa hi no abe pa sa ha ga chi la pe Gino jala la ni choni jalo la ra no we ano mullo abe be fangi ji chasu kumji no ba tao ka hai san a jala le abe pa no choni ko jalo no ni de ko ti hare ra boy again no lion cause raro la le no again no mullo hi no ni de san no ni hala so la ha de san no abe ni abe pa hi ko tao we no abe pa ma choni ko la cho ba no a de ko ti hare no san no mullo again ci la polizia come da poi form retorno vanno a te in fam revine in ascella le abe quasi coto again abe pan no con lo panno ni to ko te hara poi se no cosa loro mi già le pro va in no va no per la pulling ma lo dare se no con va va ni dai ma ma le tabara con per pilale Change work where they cause they care, no? Cause they care my motive, no? Kilo, raro ma put the gatin, ma pare call way, you know. Put the call, raro call, you know. Well, be me nearly go, you know. Well, be go, you know. Well, be no calling the sun, raro showing them where on the head. They got call, me story that people have read, you know. Meaning, they move ahead. Was the Jilabala, you know, call meaning, Vanit, Dolore, say no. Call boy, Nidra, Van, no here on the head. Just sorali to here boy. Bueno, puto vanno dove hanno sorali to here boy. Se no con rarola le mini fare sino hanabe domages morals never disturb a person who focus on their aim but focus on yourself. What is the purpose of yourself?
Thank you. Now we'll give time to our serial number 8. Serial number 8. Pull over there. Serial number 8. Let's all keep it up for serial number 8. Please.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, Luli sudo tare, tare. Oh, excuse me. The title of my song is My Love by Westlife. Empty street, an empty house, falling inside my heart. I'm alone, rooms are getting smaller. I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. This we have, the song we sang together. Oh yeah, and oh my love, holding on forever, reaching for the love that seems so far. So I stay and leave the bird, hope my dreams will take me through. When the skies are blue, see you once again, my love. Overseas we're close to close, find a place I love the most. When love feels so green, see you once again, my love. I try to read the golden word, loving with my friends, but I can't stop to keep myself from thinking. Oh no, I wonder how, I wonder why, I wonder where they are. The days we have, the stars stand together. Oh yeah, my love, holding on forever, reaching for love to say so far. So I say leave the bird, all my dreams will take me. When the skies are blue, see me once again, my love. Overseas promise you my love, tell you you're my heart, but you know I'm thinking wrong. Thank you.
Thank you, serial number 8. Sure, now we'll give time to your serial number 14. Serial number 14, please come and take your time.
May I request you to first go with rank walk. Wait, just before that, listen. Please go with ramp walk first. Ramp walk.
Okay. get very prepared, hopefully.
Thank you. Serial number 14. That was the serial number 14. And now we give time to serial number 12. Serial number 12. Choose serial number 12 from Fatih.
Daffodils by William Wordsworth. I wander lonely and loud, that flows on high over bells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Continuous as stars that shine, a twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretch in never-ending line, along the margin of a bay. Then houses saw I at a glance, tossing the ice in sprightly dance. The waves beside them dance, but they outdid the sprawling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay. In such a jocund company, I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For often, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils.
Thank you, serial 12. And now we have serial number 16. Serial number 16 for Pedipu.
more to this talent also learn more. Thank you.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Firelight in a beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star I see. Just your eyes to see. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I'm you there with me. Come warm and
Alright, thank you. With that, we'll conclude the talent round, and now I request our judges to prepare the list who goes to the second round. Okay, serial number. Okay, serial number 1. My number me na. Serial number 1. Mali serial number no manu pa introduction show na ju. Nihi serial number 1 pa if you are around. My lady serial number no introduction show. Okay, our brother is there. Nihi telling pa has his number 17.
All the Australian leader against it. No, I full step.
Okay, thank you, serial number 17. Now we give time to serial number 13 and 24. Talent vision talent round, talent serial number 13. Serial number 13, ये तरी तब हो गयो.
At least rank walk up, yeah, we want point going.
Okay. And please, serial number 24 ready to go.
Oh, he-yo, hey-yo, he-yo, he-yo, he-yo. Oh, he-yo, hey-yo, oh, he-yo, he-yo, he-yo. Oh, he-yo, hey-yo, oh, he-yo, he-yo, he-yo. Oh, he-yo, hey-yo, oh, he-yo, he-yo, he-yo. Oh, he-yo.
And once again, I'll sing.
This presence burns. Though I know how much it means.
Sorry.
Okay, that was serial number 13. For the last one, we will call serial number 24. Serial number 24 with the
Thank you for giving me this opportunity again. As I mentioned before, I don't have talent. It's still hidden. So, as the saying goes, good things take time, but greater things take a bit longer. So I believe my talent is of great things. So, for now, I'll recite a poem for you all, especially the freshers. The title of the poem is Success, written by Emily Dickinson. Success is counted to sweet, but those who near succeed, to comprehend the nectar, requires the sour steep. Not one of all the purple hosts who took the flag today can tell the definition of victory. So plain as the defeated, dying, on whose forbidden ear the distant strains of triumph break admission clear. Thank you.
Thank you, serial number 24. With that, we'll conclude the talent round, and let's all keep it up for our freshers once again. Round of applause for all our freshers. Thank you. And now we will have a special number, we'll have a special performance from Sankte Mar. If we are around, we'll give time to Brother Sankte Mar. Sankte Mar is not from our Poumai community. We welcome you and we're very happy to have you, and we give time to Sankte Mar now. In the meantime, kita just macam ni second round hi ko macam the list prepare sudah ni ready so we go.
Hello everyone, thank you for inviting me to be a part of this special occasion of Poumai Naga Freshers Meet. Thanks to my aunt and uncle Sapuni who introduced me and also to take part in this program. I am very honored and privileged for getting this opportunity to present a song. I will present a song, Jina Jina.
मेरे हमदम हाँ सिखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सिखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम न सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना न सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम दहलीज पे मेरे दिल की जो रखे थे तूने कदम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सिखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सिखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम न सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना न सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है जो तुम मिला तो सच्ची है दुनिया मेरे हमदम ओ आसिमा मिला
Light went off, current gone.
Okay. Brother Samte, we'll have you again.
Just a reason. I feel about living like a star. Hotel rings, champagne, caviar. But no one ever sold me dark bars. And it's really hard. Baby, it's really hard. They try to sell your body and your soul. Is the price you pay for rock and roll. And no one understands it, how you feel. For so real, oh, it's so real. Baby,
Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Critics crucify your lady soul. Another drink and then you lose control. But then on stage I'm feeling just an illusion. Baby, don't you cry for me. It's an illusion, just an illusion. I thought I knew what life should be. It's an illusion, just an illusion. Thank you.
Okay, that was Brother Samte, and thank you so much. Now we'll move on with our question round. I request our judges to once again to announce the number who moved to the second round, and kindly let us know the instruction. Check.
Okay, now we shall be selecting some final candidates to go to question round. So for selection, I would call all the candidates to come on stage once again. I would request all the participants to kindly come on stage.
These are the judges.
Okay, would you kindly display your numbers? There is still some confusion.
I would like to request all the contestants to stay in the serial which I'll be reading out. Serial number 13 first. Serial number 13. Serial number 24. 13 is not there. Serial number 13. Yeah, next. Serial number 24. 24. Yeah. That means 13 isn't there now. And next is 15. Serial number 15. Contestant number 15. Contestant number 7. Contestant number 8, 14, 17, 11, 9, 12, contestant number 12, contestant number 16, number 5, number 3, and number 4. So we don't have number 3 and number 13, right? Contestant number 3 and 13. I request both of you to please come on the stage if you are here. So, okay, we'll go ahead with it. So actually we are giving privileges for everyone to take their beautiful and handsome photos because you might not got that opportunity before. So let them stand there for a while because it is an opportunity to be a fresher in such a big organization, right? While we are putting together our numbers, there have been requests for our host, Mr. Pavitu, to sing a song for us. Yeah. There are so many requests that I got when we came out for tea break. So I request Mr. Pavi to please present us a special song.
So many people who can sing, so are you sure it's me?
Yeah, we are giving this opportunity to you first, and then we'll move on to others. Please.
Maybe we're waiting for them to serve food, so.
Anh của Sulu có đấy rồi. Trên đây.
Mama told me when I was young, consider beside me my only son. Listen closely to what I say. And if the do this, he will help you some sunny day. Take your time, don't need to fast. Don't take your time, don't need to fast. Troubles will come, oh, they will pass. You found a woman, oh yeah, you found love. Don't forget the song, there is someone. Yeah, baby, be a singer, kind of man. Go be yourself, please. You love and not say. Oh, baby, be a singer. Would you do this for the song if you can? Yeah. Forget your past, for the returns go. All I'm in is in this soul. And you can do this, oh baby, if you try. All I want from you, myself, is to be satisfied. Yeah, baby, be a singer, count on me. Go be yourself, please. You can understand. Go, baby, be a singer. Count on me. Oh, what you do is roll me some if you can.
Alright, thank you. Okay, judges want to look at the program.
Okay, with much difficulty, the judges set to confusion. We have selected 3 gents and 4 ladies. So let me read out the serial number. In the first place, we have, let me start with the male. Number 17. Okay, number 17, please step aside. And next we have number 11. Serial number 11. And next we have serial number 9. And these are the 3 Janes selected in the first 2 rounds. And coming to female, we have serial number 5. Next we have serial number 16. Next we have serial number 4. And next we have serial number 12. Okay, these are the selection. Now, the teams who has been selected will go to question round. Okay, so everyone can come down and take your seat for a while.
Okay, thank you. Now we'll continue with the question round. So I ask the judges to take over. If you're not ready, let me know. I can sing another song.
Okay, this is the list of questions. So each participants will come and pick one question and give it to the judges. We will explain the questions if you don't understand.
So, the selected contestant for the question round will be contestant number 4, 5, 9, 12, 11, 12, 16 and 17. Serial number 4, 5, 9, 11, 12, 16 and 17. So I would like to request contestant number 4 to please come for the question round. Contestant number 4.
Okay, please keep it up for contestant number 4. And any timeline, any time limits? 3 minutes is your time limit to answer your question. Angino question picks up here. Okay, you may kindly read out there and go forward.
Hello. Coco, how are you?
I got question number 1. Do you think the current generation among our community is losing the importance of our culture and tradition?
I think the question is very clear, so you can go ahead.
I do think that the current generation among our community is losing the importance of our culture and tradition because, in today's generation, we have our own modern dresses. Not only in dresses, but the culture. We do not stick to our cultures. Sometimes, example, when we have programs we invite people youth, elders. No, are also they are not counted, but as youth, youth are the ones who should be making who should be making a community in our tradition, they give more, like many of them give more importance to things and like modern our culture and traditions. Like even me sometimes, like I feel uncomfortable to follow our culture and traditions. Like not only me, but there are so many people out there. Like and according to me, like to think that there are less people who are stick to our culture and traditions. According to me, like people who are stick to culture and traditions are less, and as I'm from Dimapur, like when churches, there are less people like who wear their traditional clothes and like who attend the churches just for some few like hymns or those people's like who just attend. I don't know, like there are some people who never attend churches, like and not. There are some people who attend less churches, like the people who are inside the church are also like not into culture, their own traditions. Like they mostly wear like modern dresses, like the dress, the makeups that they carry on, like even inside the churches. Like our culture and traditions, like our culture and traditions are very important. So like even reminding myself and people out here, like if you're forgetting your tradition and culture, it is very important, in one's life, in our life, to show that we belong to this community and we belong to this culture, and like to stand out in the community as representing one's culture and tradition. Like it'll be very helpful in the community and also for our own culture and culture. Like, thank you.
Thank you, Cyril, contestant number 4. The next contestant, we have contestant number 9. Contestant number 9.
Contestant number 9, Gopalo.
Okay, you just have to tell us the question number. One of the judges panel will read out the question for you. Okay, you have the question with you.
Nimutawe question number 3, the Pawakuwe.
Question number 9.
Let me read out the question. Poumai community is among the dominant tribe in Senapati district. However, upon comparison with villages of other communities, the infrastructure and developments of Poumai villages are still far behind other villages. What, in your opinion, can these measures be corrected? You got the question?
Okay, you got the question? Okay, this is a good question. Poumai community is among the dominant tribe in Senapati district. However, comparison with other communities, the infrastructure and development of Poumai villages are still far behind other village. Desert, what's your opinion? Can this measure be corrected? Yes, this measure can be corrected. As we all know, Poumai is one of the major tribes in Senapati district, but we're far looking behind. As you all see, there are other tribes who have cleared UPSC in IPS, IAS, but in our Poumai community, we didn't able to achieve IPS, IAS. What is this? Because of our mentality. Not because we are not inferior or we are not lacking what other brain have, but we have that lack of mentality and desire what we have within us. This is the first point that we cannot achieve it. And when we learn to the infrastructure, we are very much lagging behind others. Why? Because we have lack. Many do play the matter who don't tell you a little. Many zero zero sonia, zero nagadia, zero sonia so thousand. Zuni encouragement zero sonia raso, zero honalina. Bang shiva, so how did I want it also? Came thousand way. But here, so you tell one you know, mentality. You know, mentality. Mera being on what you, and I don't go in any way. Mera here to so no way has not come anyway. As a secret, va, come in the way, you don't know. Va, you don't get into catcher, it is a vana so, and let bucket the beating of our way, down in logo of our way, down in vanning of our line of pretty vanning, be a better back. So that was the Poumai that also. A leadership palare is a ping better on it also. Tiber infrastructure development said a business very late in the Kisa. It of Poumai, a leading some way like was her or a little no Bavanu, a little the Paru. It also deeper infrastructure development have a part as we compare to mouse, Tom Cruise. Maram, Dishablad, Ligisa. Country, no master. Many about this race, Unaras. So, thousand matter venue, support again. Vivon Paran. Maggie Barre is a Bomada is a new infrastructure development, yes, away. So, what is the mentality? Hannah is a change. Let's not be a small minded people. Provoke the quotation there. Small mind method medical approach here. Average mind method to doubt way discuss great mind method country development country vision and discuss way. It a woman, small mind way here. It mindset upgrade. Great mind to run. Innovative ideas, there are 100 run. Development and infrastructure that pay down need to be
Thank you, contestant number 9. Next, we have contestant number 5. Contestant number 5. After contestant number 5, I request contestant number 11 to be ready.
Then, list of students and youths rushing to other states for higher education and better career is still a trend in Manipur in general and Poumai community in particular. What, in your opinion, can these issues be corrected and the future prospects of our region can be developed?
Okay. We will repeat the question for you. The practice of students and youths rushing to other states for higher education and better career is still a trend in Manipur in general and Poumai community in particular. What, in your opinion, can these issues be corrected and the future prospects of youth in our region can be developed? Okay, in simple words, I'll make it simple for you. We have students and youths going out to other states for studies. Yeah? That is the trend in Manipur in general and among the Poumai community. Do you think this issue, there is something wrong in our society? How do you think we can let our youth study back home rather than going out? Is there any problem in studying outside?
The state has infrastructure, career prospect, student usually after 12 after 10 the region here the region the future youth Mama have a future prospect have quite good those the region here develop so say no be question in the way.
I don't really have anything to answer to this.
So would you like another question? Okay. Without picking, let me ask you a question. Can you define beauty? What is beauty?
It's your inner self. If you're kind and loyal, if you're kind and yeah. If you're kind, that's beauty. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 5. Next, we have contestant number 11. Contestant number 11, you can just pick the questions and tell us the number. We will read the number for you, question for you, so that you can take your time and think. And next, we have a contestant number 12 after this. So I request the contestant number 12 to also be ready. Eight. So your question is, do you think the modern technologies are affecting our personal relationships? Do you think the modern technologies are affecting our personal relationships?
Okay, technologies do you have mobile level, have a technologies allow have a bit of families level, youth, especially generation here, they allow have a so hard, had boom hama, and cái người đi về số nhỉ, hay cái người technology sai bay hồ sĩ, đến này thì bảo được.
This is my 7th time coming up here. Do you think the modern technologies are affecting our personal relationship? Of course, there is yes and even no. As you know, obviously, technologies hana way one jitaway sure majiwe sure ho jitaway family ho. That is a previous like that is in way is jitano volley so le and jitano so so be one phone hinu busy solo funny thought someone, poor Bijuan thing, lost some heart. One of the health today. Yeah, Laram to my ya, Lara Julian, telefiction table, and PUBG, Mobile Legend, game in a loop, Port Robin, Paji Muntam Drucker. Lara Julian, even 13 minutes, Piluhana. Facts, the fact is, Jitan Azam Thale, Wakitoba, who game through coaching Tawe class pool on covering our zoom. I got on Lawson, Jubilee generation. I came Lawson where Zinupon years modern technologies, mobile phone, computer, Tara, we even Zita personal. I have lost it. I from
Thank you, contestant number 11. Next, we have contestant number 12. Contestant number 12. And I also request contestant number 17 to be ready next. Contestant number 17.
Number 11.
Okay, let me read out the question for you. Number 11, right? Poumai community in general are sports-loving people. The traditional sports like wrestling and various other sports are played by Poumai youths. How can we promote sports among the youths of Poumai so that our youths can excel in national and international level? Poumai community has sports has a Australia community alimha. For example, Poyu ada wrestling ada tele hino held to the amha. So have a Juji the Poumai level hai state because Juji Poumai had national had international level he represents so they are high man. The kai kudo the Poumai has sports here, sports with career here. When my pen about national international level he got up. Pedal day, in a question here and on the code.
Okay, so sports among the youths of Poumai can be promoted through like cultural festivals or occasions, especially we like Poumai as Nagas, we are very fond of wrestlings and what else? Wrestlings and through even wrestling like wrestlings now it has become very common like and then it's like held like in festivals like Hornbill and then Tuna and then so many and then through that we can see that we Poumai we are also promoting our own culture, our identity and also our sports and then yes and then how to promote our sports in society. I should say that we especially the leaders, we should like focus with those leaders, those who are like into sports. We must also focus more on how to build up, how to give confidence, and especially there are some youths like who are very talented and who are very good in sports, but due to lack of infrastructure, they were not able to like participate in all those things. So like what I would like to say is that we as Poumais, we should all we as Poumais, we should all come together and then try our best in order to promote or how to promote.
Thank you, contestant number 12. Next, we have contestant number 17. Contestant number 17, and last but not the least, we have contestant number 16 to be ready. Now this is our contestant number 2.
Good afternoon once again. The question I got is from question number 4. Drug smuggling business.
Okay, I shall do the reading for you. Drug smuggling business and drug abuse among youths is one of the issues that our Northeast India is facing, including our own Poumai community. What message would you like to convey to these drug smugglers?
Do you want another question? Hey, explain so it's a power.
No, it's okay. Thank you. Drug smuggling business. We, Poumai tribe, mostly most families do business like from drugs and earn their living from drugs, and even though we're doing that for our families and all, but still, as we are in the process of selling the illegal products, those are sold off to people and the youths, and they consume it, and which effect they have. So I would like to say that even though we are doing it for our families and all, but still, those are affecting the people around us. So I would like to convey that. I would like to say that we should stop doing such business and start thinking about other things which we will be able to do to earn our living, and stop doing such businesses. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 17. Now we have contestant number 16. Contestant number 16. This is our last contestant. So let us give a big round of applause again.
Question number 7.
Your question number is 7. So I'll read it out for you. There are several unique features, flora and fauna, and a probable tourist destination in Poumai villages. What is your opinion that bring about its development in the field of tourism in Poumai villages?
Thank you for the question. I would say to bring the development, to bring attract to the tourists, I think we should focus more on social media, like there are many things in Poumai. I would not mention the name. I would say there are many more places where tourists would like to see it, but we were not able to bring them. I think we should post more in the social media, like in a Google or anything, YouTube or anything. I think it will help them. It will attract them to come to Poumai village and see the beauty, the flora and fauna in our Poumai community. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 16. So our question round all the freshers is completed with this.
Thank you, judges. Question high here. Judges want to pop pizza bear. Kita energy hazard. Today, Moshuba mother so program chat. We just have few more items and we'll be done with the program. Exhibited by the new. We meal ready so beauty and probably so stay active and wait for the meal as well. Joe, we question our Hannah over there. So next we will have one special number, and in the meantime I request our judges to prepare the final crowning of Mr. and Mrs. Precious. At the same time, executive volunteer medal, Mr. and Mrs. Crown ready so we will. And now we will have a special number from Alex and Friends. Alex and Friends. LX and Friends. LX and Friends. How you be right? LX and Friends. LX and Friends. Oh, okay. Coming. Alex and Friends, naman to telephone with, naman to telepop, we trouble there.
Hello. You're looking very smart today. Wow. No. Hai cô ấy không? Hai cô lái. Dance away. Rẻ du lịch nó mỏi mà. Chuẩn bị to đây nè mà.
Hai bên宿舍。
Hello. Namaste.
Namaste.
Hi guys. Hello. Hello. Come on. Let's not fall asleep, right? Let's enjoy it. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Nobody ever loved me like she does. Yes, she does. Oh, she does. And if nobody ever loved me do. Yes, she do. Yes, she does. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. I'm in love for the first time. Don't you know he's gonna lie? And a love that lasts forever. And love that had no past. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Don't let
Oh, thank you. It was a warm up. A little bit electrical problem. It's okay, but. It's okay, it's okay. If you know the song, join me, please.
Sometimes I lay under the moon, and then God I'm breathing, yeah. Then I pray, don't take me soon. I will reason, sometimes in my chair sat down. I never wanna let me down. Negativity surrounds. I know someday it'll turn around, 'cause all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more, there'll be no more war, and the children just pray one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day. I remember when we used to sit in the government yard in Trenchtown, over observing the hypocrites, mingle with the good people we meet. Good friends behave, good friends be close along the way. Ooh, woman, don't cry. Woman, don't cry. No, woman, don't cry. No, woman, no cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright, babe. Everything's gonna be alright. Woman, no cry. Yeah, woman, no cry. Woman, no cry.
The
This next song is an original. It's about the usual things which happen in our daily life. It's called What Are the Odds? Why do we fight? Why do we hide? We fight for a side. Cause brothers from my heart. And what are the odds that preserve our thoughts to fight for our rights? Cause of you now.